Yo, what's up guys, Boris here. Sugo Fest is in 30 minutes and I will be making a video, but before I do that, crazy news on the Japan Twitter account. I'm gonna go ahead and play this video. I will mute it. Oh, that was loud. I will mute it so that I don't get a copyright strike, but new video guys. Looks like we're gonna get a legend Robin potentially. If not, there's gonna be a new Robin for sure. Just look at that. Look at how much work they're putting in to these brand new advertisements. If you guys did not know, there was a commercial a few days ago, which talked about 12/31. We're gonna get some sort of 3D2Y event. Now the story mode, we just got the return to Sabaody, so this is a full-fledged, like full advertisement. Tons of stuff gonna be coming in the next week. In preparation for what I believe is potentially, Straw Hats return to Sabaody Part 2 in terms of not the story mode, but the units. We got the first batch a few weeks ago. It's time for the second batch with Luffy, Robin, Usopp, Sanji, I would think, and then maybe like someone else. I forgot. Maybe Brook. I don't know if we got Brook in the previous one or this one, but it's crazy, guys. This is crazy. What we gotta do, guys, we gotta do some retweets. If we do enough retweets, we unlock it. Let me go over this page. This is the page right here. This plays the commercial. I'll show you guys the actually. Yeah, I don't want to actually. I'll pretty much, this is the event, guys. So this is the event right here. If we complete enough retweets, enough shares, we're gonna unlock the next bubble. I guess there's a lot of bubbles right here. Yeah. And it starts off, we get a socket book. If we get 10,000, which is gonna be very easy to do. Maybe we unlock the Nico Robin video. Now there is a video here that's privated, so maybe we'll unlock it, or maybe it's the same video that is on Twitter. But overall, there's going to be this awesome event every day until the 31st, when we get potentially the brand new batch with Straw Hats. And will Robin be a legend? I don't know, but it's looking like it could be the case, just from the advertising. Like, how awesome would it be? Personally, I do not want another Luffy legend. I want a Robin legend, which is something we were just talking about today on stream. We're saying there needs to be another female legend in One Piece Treasure Cruise, and we were talking about Robin, potentially Nami. But I mean, look at this, man. This looks awesome. I'll play it one more time and just look, man. That new Robin, that has to be legend art, man. I mean, it could be her 5-star art, but I want a legend Robin. I'm not gonna lie. I want a legend Robin. So let me know what your thoughts are on this down below, guys. Are you guys excited? Are you guys, just let me know what you think, man. Would you guys like a legend Robin in One Piece Treasure Cruise, or would you rather them do a different legend, like a legend Sanji, legend Nami? Let me know down below. Personally, legend Robin would be really exciting. I might have to go and do a lot of pulls during that Sugo, but who knows. With that said, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in my Sugo Fest video later tonight, and until then, peace.